Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your Start menu, right-click on it. Now go ahead over to Settings. The Settings app will open. Now go ahead over to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security. Okay. Click on it. Now click on Windows Security. Click on it. Now in here, just click on Open Windows Security. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to the left panel and click on App and Browser Control. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, we have reputation-based protection. Go ahead and click on the blue button right here. Below that, click on it. And as you can see, we have SmartScreen right here. Here as well at the top, you can go ahead and disable it all. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now you can go ahead and disable whatever you want right here. Okay, disable, 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 and once done, just close this one and restart your computer, and after that you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.